Ever wondered what truly holds businesses back from reaching their full potential? Is it the market, the strategy, or something far more personal? In this video, we'll uncover the pivotal factor that determines the success or failure of every business venture. Missing out on this video might mean missing out on the critical insights that could transform your approach and skyrocket your business success. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned as we delve into the core attributes that define a successful entrepreneur. Number 1. Unlocking business potential. Identifying entrepreneurial limits. Every business is ultimately limited not by the market or by the business model, but by the entrepreneur themselves. The skills, character traits, and beliefs of the entrepreneur shape the potential and direction of the business. Every aspect of a business, from its strategy to its operational execution, springs from the capabilities and mindset of the leader. This encompasses the skills, character traits, and beliefs of the entrepreneur. It's vital to acknowledge that not only skills and tangible assets drive a business, but also the intangible beliefs and character of its leaders. For instance, an entrepreneur's inability to adapt to new technologies or market trends can stifle growth, whereas those who embrace change and seek continuous learning can drive their businesses forward. Understanding personal limitations and working actively to address them can transform potential stumbling blocks into stepping stones for success. Entrepreneurs need to be introspective and willing to challenge their own status quo to unlock new opportunities and innovations. Number 2. Ladder to success. Skills, beliefs, and traits. The metaphor of a ladder illustrates the balance needed between skills, beliefs, and character traits for successful entrepreneurship. Just like climbing a ladder requires strength, balance, and a clear path, advancing in business demands a harmonious blend of technical skills, empowering beliefs, and strong character traits. If any of these elements are weak or missing, the entrepreneurial journey can become unstable. For example, a strong skill set with weak character traits such as poor integrity or low resilience can undermine long-term success, no matter how innovative the business idea might be. Number 3. Overnight success. Breaking through belief barriers. Sometimes what's perceived as overnight success is actually the result of an entrepreneur finally aligning their skills and character with a newly adopted, empowering belief. For example, discovering a new business model or market can rapidly accelerate growth if the entrepreneur is prepared to capitalize on it. The story of an entrepreneur who realized the potential of e-commerce to transform their traditional business is a case in point. They believed they could reach a larger audience online and quickly scaled their operations to meet increased demand, which resulted in exponential growth. Number 4. Education and entrepreneurial advancement. Education in the entrepreneurial context doesn't always occur in classrooms, but through a relentless pursuit of knowledge and practical application. The most successful entrepreneurs are often self-taught, leveraging resources like books, online courses, and mentorships to fill gaps in their knowledge. This proactive approach to learning enables them to stay ahead of industry trends and apply cutting-edge practices to their businesses. Moreover, embracing a mindset of lifelong learning can significantly enhance an entrepreneur's adaptability and responsiveness to challenges. Number 5. The value of mentorship and masterminds. Investing in high-quality mentorship and participating in mastermind groups can provide unparalleled advantages. These settings offer not only strategic advice, but also critical accountability mechanisms that help entrepreneurs remain focused and motivated. Mentors and peers can provide insights that challenge an entrepreneur's thinking and expose them to new perspectives and strategies. Additionally, the communal knowledge and networks gained from these relationships can accelerate business growth and problem solving. Number 6. Investment in learning, accelerating growth through knowledge. Investing in learning is crucial for entrepreneurs who aim to stay relevant and competitive. This investment can take many forms, from formal education and online courses to attending workshops and industry conferences. For example, an entrepreneur in the tech industry might attend coding boot camps and subscribe to cutting-edge tech publications to stay abreast of the latest developments. This proactive approach to learning not only enhances their technical skills, but also broadens their understanding of potential market needs and solutions. Additionally, by regularly updating their knowledge base, entrepreneurs can better anticipate industry shifts and adapt their strategies accordingly, thus avoiding obsolescence and fostering innovation within their ventures. Number 7. Navigating early entrepreneurial endeavors. Building a foundation. Early stages of entrepreneurship are often marked by trial and error, making navigation through this phase critical for long-term success. New entrepreneurs must focus on validating their business ideas through market research, building a minimal viable product, MVP, and engaging early adopters for feedback. For instance, launching a pilot project or a beta version of a product can provide invaluable insights into customer needs and product viability without the need for substantial upfront investment. Furthermore, during these early stages, entrepreneurs should cultivate resilience and flexibility, learning to pivot their business model based on feedback and changing market conditions. Building a solid network of advisors and peers during this time can also provide necessary support and guidance, reducing the isolation that many founders feel. Number 8, character traits, the bedrock of entrepreneurial success. Character traits such as integrity, patience, perseverance, and empathy are foundational to sustainable entrepreneurial success. These traits influence how entrepreneurs react to setbacks, manage stress, and lead their teams. A leader with high integrity, for example, earns the trust and respect of their team and customers, which is crucial for building a loyal customer base and a dedicated workforce. Patience allows entrepreneurs to thoughtfully scale their business rather than seeking quick fixes that may compromise long-term goals. Furthermore, traits like empathy enable entrepreneurs to understand and meet the needs of their customers and employees more effectively, fostering a positive company culture and driving customer-centric innovation. Developing these traits often requires intentional self-reflection and a commitment to personal growth, which can be facilitated through leadership training, mindfulness practices, and feedback from trusted mentors. These insights underline the multifaceted role of an entrepreneur in shaping their business's destiny. From internal beliefs to external skills, each component is crucial in paving the way toward substantial business success. Let us know in the comments what you yourself have found to be the most valuable insight on your own path, and subscribe to our channel for new, often surprising ways your own financial freedom can be within your reach.